My name is Esly Lescano, and I have been doing this week, apart from attending the event here, I have been building AI software that helps, especially sourcers, to source a property, automate the process of filling all these Excels. Also, the software can you put images, put your content, your logo, your design, your colors, and it will generate a brochure. The website calls brochuregenerator.co.uk, and it's basically for all the academy to use it, test it, use it, and then anyone who is in the property space they can use it. So that I've been doing. I also have been sourcing a property in the Lake District. Currently, is in Read My Deal, and as soon as I got the feedback from the mentor that is correct, I'm gonna post it in the iConnect. Currently, I got 5 investors interested in that deal, so I know that it's gonna go straight away. So I'm just want to decide which one is the right fit for that deal. And the next projects I'm working on my area, I got two lands that needs conversion. One is a chapel and one is a school. So I've been, because of the event, I met builders and architects that they're gonna come around to look out the property and tell me figures about how much is the refurb gonna cost, and also gonna help me for the planning permission.
And how have you been able to do all of this? Because of the academy that's given you that?
Yeah, so basically the academy helped me in a way because like you ask questions, so you have a project that you want to crack on, but you need help. You need help in terms of how do you start, how to do diligence, and pretty much you just book mentor calls, ask them, attend inner circles. You're gonna meet people in the game that has been in there for years, and they will tell you, do this, ask this person, and then so you follow the paths, until you pick things from different brains and people, and then you connect everything, and then you get a deal, and then you can sell it. Or actually, the ones that I want to do the conversions, I want to do JB for that because you actually gonna pull out like 200K like profits from. So yeah.
And so has it been useful then being part of this?
Of course, like it's something that you won't be able to do by yourself because like you just apart from everything. Like you might need investors, you also need knowledge, and you just need the motivation really. Because when you started, you don't have that energy internally to say I can do it. So the more you strive to do things, the more you become better. I have just been 2 months in the academy, and I have achieved all of this, like this application. Um, I have sort of this year that is just about to go to live, and in the process to go to take more on and doing JB with that. So I cannot wait to see what is coming next.